question says, Toya makes 5 liters of soap. 70% is used. How much is left? So the first thing is, a good technique would be to transfer 5 liters into milliliters. Okay, so remember, liters and milliliters deals with the liquidity of something. So how much liquid is there in a container, so on and so forth. Okay, so Toya makes 5 liters of this. So if we know that 1 liter makes 1,000 milliliters, then we know that 5 liters will make 5,000. Nice and easy, so far straightforward. So now you've made it into an easier format to answer the question. So it says you've done that part. So Toya makes 5 liters of soap. So we've done that. 70% is used. How much is left? So you're working out. You would say, okay, I will work at 70% of that. However, there's a shorter technique here. You could say if 70% is used, it's not asking for that 70% in the answer in the question. It's saying how much is left. So if you have 100% that you have made and you've used 70%, therefore you're only working out 30%, and this saves you having to do multi-step calculations. You can just get to the answer straight away. Something that, again, many mistakes are made in questions where I've seen many times, and it can be avoided. You can do short. You can shorten your answer and still get the full marks. Okay, so you got 30%. So ideally, what you're doing now is you're working out 30%, which is left off the total amount of 5,000 milliliters. So you're putting it into the format. So now what you're going to do is you're going to work out 30% off 5,000. Okay, so that's the first step. Now, after that, again, you need to transfer it into what you know mathematically. So off is times, bring your quantity down as normal. So you've got 5,000. And 30%, the percentage symbol is self means out of 100. And then simply you bring this value down and it becomes your numerator. So again, like I've previously told you, there's a few techniques to this where you can get your quantity, divide it by your denominator, and then multiply it by your numerator. Let's look at this and put this into practice. So 5,000, you get your value, your quantity, which is 5,000, divide it by 1,000. Now this is straightforward. What you can do is you can take away 2 zeros from each side, because these two can get taken away, and so can these, and it leaves you with 50 divided by 1 is 50. So that's the first step. Now you've got your answer, which is 50, and you multiply that by your numerator, which is 30. So again, a good technique, saves you a bit of time, and saving you have to spend time doing your working out. You could just do 5 times 3, which is 15, and then all you do is count up how many zeros you've got, 1, 2, and add them along at the end. There you go. So your answer is 1,500.